What's the meaning of apoplectic? Apoplectic. Apoplectic.
Apoplectic. Apoplectic. Apoplectic refers to a state of intense rage or extreme anger, often resulting in physical symptoms such as confusion, dizziness, and even loss of consciousness. This can be caused by a sudden surge in blood pressure in the brain, leading to a stroke. The term is also used metaphorically to describe a person who is extremely upset, frustrated, or outraged about something. In these cases, the person may exhibit similar physical symptoms as well as behavioral changes such as screaming, shouting, or violent outbursts. Overall, apoplectic is a serious and potentially life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical attention.